Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a product called EreTurbo. It's been showing up a lot online, claiming to be a natural way to restore firm erections and boost testosterone levels. According to their website, EreTurbo uses 6 powerful natural ingredients and is marketed as a clinically backed formula for men looking to improve stamina, confidence, and performance. It's sold as a natural, safe alternative to pills, promising stronger results and more energy. Before we go any further, here's an important disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now let's get into some of the red flags around EreTurbo. First, the promises sound too good to be true. The site claims the supplement can restore firm erections, boost testosterone, and even bring life-changing results. But there's no scientific proof or FDA approval backing these claims. Supplements are not allowed to say they treat or cure conditions like erectile dysfunction unless there's real published clinical evidence. EreTurbo doesn't show any of that. Second, the product tries to look scientific by listing a bunch of studies on vitamins and unrelated health issues like vitamin D and Alzheimer's, but none of those are about EreTurbo or its actual ingredients. This is often a tactic used to make a product seem more legitimate, even when there's no direct connection to its formula. Third, they keep repeating phrases like clinically backed and made in an FDA-approved facility, but that's misleading. The FDA doesn't approve supplements. It only checks that facilities follow hygiene and safety guidelines. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, they actually admit the product hasn't been evaluated by the FDA and isn't meant to treat or cure any disease. So the marketing at the top of the page completely contradicts the disclaimer at the bottom. Another big red flag is the refund policy. On the surface, they offer a 60-day money-back guarantee, but when you read the refund policy page, it's full of restrictions. They only refund sealed bottles, charge a 15% restocking fee, and require customers to pay for return shipping. That's not really a no-questions-asked guarantee. It's more like a way to discourage people from asking for refunds once they realize it doesn't work. So what does all of this mean? While EreTurbo is marketed as a natural male enhancement supplement, the claims are exaggerated, the science is vague, and the refund terms are confusing. The ingredients might be natural, but that doesn't mean they'll produce the kind of dramatic results the website promises. In short, be cautious. Always consult your doctor before taking anything that claims to change your hormones or improve sexual performance. There's no quick fix or miracle solution, and flashy ads can often hide the truth behind big promises. Stay smart. Stay informed, and don't let marketing hype take your money.